Hello composers, Mike here. You can actually import instruments, MIDI parts, audio and lots of more things from your old Logic Pro X projects into your current one. Yes, it is true and it is amazing. Let's learn how right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say you are working in your project, but you find out that you want to import that cool sound, audio file, or whatever from one of your other projects. Well, to do that, you go up here into the media browser by clicking this button or clicking F, and then you simply go into all files and find the folder and the actual project file where you want to import from. So in my case, I will go to, let's see, here, music, finish music, and then into this folder. And then you find the actual project file, which is this one. Double click that. And here is actually all the tracks, even track stacks, all the audio files and assets inside this project. So let's say you want to import a specific track, let's say this bass here. First, you can choose to include the content or not, then the plugin, the sends you used, the I/O settings, and automation. Well, let's say you only want the actual sound of the instrument. Click this plugins checkbox and click add down here. And now I get this bass sound. Now, if we delete that, undo, you can also click this checkbox, the content, if you actually recorded a part on this instrument in that other project. Otherwise, this will be grayed out. Now, if I click add, I actually get the MIDI data as well from this. Undo that again. And if you used any send effects, if I click this, it will actually include those as well. And you can do the I/O settings and even the automation on the clip. So that was how you import an instrument from another project. Well, you can even import audio files, as you can see here. So let's say you want to import this reverse cymbals audio file. Simply click on the content in this case and click on add. So now you get an audio track here called reverse cymbals, and here you have the audio file for it. So it sounds like this. Now here's my bonus tip for you, and that is to actually import entire track stacks from another project. Let's say you have an entire string section, brass section, or in this case I want to import my percussion low track stack from another project. In this case you need to hold down the Alt or Option key on your computer keyboard while you click here. Now Logic will select everything included. You might want to deselect, for example, your I/Os and sends, but let's import everything in this case. Simply click add and this will take a while. Now it asks, for every send effect, do I want to create the actual send I used in another track, or it will ask for every send effect if I want to reassign it to one of my sends in this project. Let's go ahead and add all new send effects in this case. Now, this will take a while because it will need to bring in every instrument, every effect used, every send effect used in this entire track stack. But let's check out what happens. Now I get a track stack here called Perc Low, and inside I have all my particular tracks from this track stack. It also created all the send effects here in the mixer, so I can go in here right now and start playing all the individual tracks inside this track stack. So think about this. This is amazing for big percussion templates, string sections, or whatever which you will use again and again in other projects. Now, if you want to get really advanced, you can even import project settings from another project down here. And here we can choose if you want to import, for example, screen sets, transform sets, MIDI settings, record settings, and so on. Simply select which ones you want to import, click import, and those will be imported into your current project. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.